Hello viewers, let's continue our CodeChef series. Now we have to solve the fifth question, which is MasterChef Finals. So the chef is working hard to complete in MasterChef. He is rank X out of all the contestant. Okay. However, only 10 contestant would be selected for the final. Check whether the chef made it in a top 10 or not. So there is an competition called MasterChef, okay, and the chef rank X, and you just have to there is only a 10 contestant which is selected for the final, and you just have to return the and you just have to check whether the chef made it in a top 10 or not. Okay, so the first line of input contain a single integer t denoting the number of test case. First you have given a number of test cases, and you just have to check whether it is in top 10 or not. Okay, so the first line t, which is given 4. Okay, and after this there is given a 15, 10, 1 and 50. Okay, you just have to check whether these are in top 10 or not. Okay, top 10 means less than 10, so you just have to check whether it is less than 10 or not. Okay, so x is the value, this is the x. Okay, you just have to check whether it is in less than 10 or not. So 15 is greater than 10, so you just have to return no, and 10 is greater or equal to, so you just have to return yes, and 1 is also less than, so you just have to return yes, and 50 is more than 10, so you just have to return no in the statement. Okay, so I hope you understand that what this question is telling. You just have to check whether the chef rank is less than 10 or not. If it is less than 10, then you just have to return yes, and if it is not, then you just have to return the no. Okay, so let's take the input. First you have to take number of test cases, which is int t, and then you just have to take input from the user, which is cin t, and while t minus minus is greater than 0. Okay, when the t is greater than 0, then you just have to take the input int x, and then cin x, and then you just have to apply the if condition. If x is greater than equals to 10, then you just have to do cout yes, else cout no. Okay, so you just have to do only these two conditions. Here the x will be checked, directly check. If x is greater than equals to 15, then you just have to do, okay, you just have to check. If x is less than equals to in a top 10, then you just have to return yes, else you have to return no. Okay, so let's run this code. Okay, you just have to do endl and also an endl. So let's again run this code. Yeah, this code works fine. Let's submit this. Yeah, this has been accepted. Thanks for watching.